Hello everyone. This is in continuation to our correlation topic. The first measure for measuring correlation is scatter diagrams. So scatter diagrams are nothing but graphs which are drawn using x-axis, y-axis, or you can call it as x-y plane on a graph sheet by plotting the pairs of data. Means the data means pairs of data in the sense coordinates. So first thing may relate to your x, second coordinate is related to your x value. So scatter diagram is also called as scatter plot or scatter graph, and it's a tool for analyzing whether there is any relationship between two variables or not. Just visually you can able to see whether there is any relationship or not. So one variable is plotted on the horizontal axis and the other is plotted on the vertical axis. Generally, horizontal axis we keep it as variable x, and vertical axis we keep it as variable y. So some of the scatter diagrams we'll see how it looks like. This if you plot on a graph sheet and if the points are like this, if it forms like this, then you say it as the two variables are positively correlated, x and y are positively correlated. So the pattern will be like this. For negative correlation, it will be like a mirror image of positive correlation. The pattern will be like this. The dots, the plots, whatever you do, it will be like this. Then if it goes almost like a straight line, then you say it is a perfect positive correlation. See, in the previous, when you say positive correlation, generally we write the value of this correlation coefficient, generally denoted by the symbol small r. So here the small r will be positive or greater than 0. And here the small r will be lesser than 0. So when it is perfectly positive correlated, then your r will be equal to positive 1. So it is same direction it moves, means sloping upward. So here also sloping upward, but it is almost like a straight line. And if it is negatively correlated, then r will be exactly equal to -1. It is sloping downward, almost like a straight line. I mean, if there is no such possibility, means if one is increasing, other one is decreasing, or you cannot able to, both are not increasing, when you are not able to judge properly whether any relation between there or not, then this actually forms like this. You call it as a zero correlation or null correlation or void correlation or nil correlation. So you can call anything. Uncorrelated, basically two variables are uncorrelated. Then we also have what is called as a curvilinear correlation, which goes like this, means it looks like almost it is sloping upward, but suddenly it is sloping downward, means you call such correlation as curvilinear correlation. Here also r is 0 only. The previous also r is 0. So these are the different types of scatter diagrams. So in the subsequent video, we'll see what are the limitations in scatter diagram and how do we overcome with those limitations by bringing in a new measure called coefficient of correlation. We'll see those things in our next video. In case if you find this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.